Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you're gonna learn how to fix microphone not working in Google Chrome browser. It's maybe your Google Chrome browser or any other browser. There are same process to fix this issue. So first of all, let me show you what the problem is. Just open your browser and here choose audio search. So you can sure about it your microphone working or not. As you can see, the microphone is not working on my computer. Here shows the issue. Please check your microphone and audio level. That means the Chrome browser can detect my microphone. Not only browser, it might be happen with your Skype or other software if you installed more than one audio manager in your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to Chrome settings. Here just click on these three dots top portion of the window and go to settings. Okay, so here is a search box which is very helpful to find out something. So I'm gonna use it. Just type here site settings. Go to site settings and here you'll find microphone permission settings. Just click microphone and allow the microphone if it is disabled. Okay, the next step is selecting your microphone manager which one connected with your computer right now. So as I'm using Boya M1 with 3.mm jack, I'm going to choose Windows default microphone manager. Here also some advanced settings at the bottom of the page. You can allow or block your microphone for a specific website. Here you will also find out which website you have allowed with microphone permission. You can also block them in advanced settings. Okay, let's back to the home screen and check our microphone working or not. I'm gonna say something. Hello. So as you can see, I have fixed my problem and now it's able to detect my voice. Hope this video gonna be very helpful for you. If you wanna get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.